Good day, gagayem, ken kakabsat! Welcome back to the Ilocano Notebook, your fastest, easiest, and cheapest guide in learning Iloko. In our pilot episode, you have learned to answer in Iloko when someone asks your name. It's done by saying, Siak ni, then your name. Like for example, Siak ni Malanis Morissette. We hope that you have successfully done this, gagayem. Now, for our second module, we will learn how to introduce others. If you want to introduce a friend, a family member, or simply someone you know in Iloko, you would say, Isuna ni, then his or her name. Simple, isn't it? Now, you try it yourself. If you have done this successfully, congratulations! Now, it wouldn't be a hard time for you introducing others in Iloko. And lastly, always remember to keep your conversation friendly and engaging. That's all for today, gagayem. Hope to see you again in our next episode in the Ilocano Notebook. Visit the Facebook page of UP Namnama Baguio to download the text version of this tutorial. Into no maminsan manen, gagayem, agyaman kami.